A target date fund is an investment option that simplifies retirement planning. A target date fund gradually shifts its allocation from more growth-oriented investments to more conservative investments based on a target date. To learn more about how a target retirement fund may help you in your retirement planning, stay tuned. Target date funds are commonly offered in retirement plans such as 401ks and 403bs, and it offers a convenient way for investors to choose a fund. An investor simply chooses a date that they think they'd like to retire, and then the fund then takes care of rebalancing and allocating the funds to make it more conservative over time for the investor. This transition from becoming more aggressive to more conservative doesn't happen overnight. There's really a glide path. So it happens gradually, similar to, say, an airplane landing. It doesn't just immediately land. It gradually lands and has a smooth transition for the passenger. And so a retirement target date fund does the same thing. It gradually shifts from being more aggressive to more conservative as the target date approaches. Target date funds are best for investors who want to set it and forget it. So an investor would simply choose a fund and the fund will take care of the rest. However, it is wise for the investor to really do their due diligence and take a look at the fund to see what it is comprised of and how aggressive or how conservative it is before they decide to select that fund. So the investor should consider their financial goals, their risk tolerance, and their financial situation before selecting such a fund. So overall, a target retirement fund simplifies the retirement planning process. The investor simply chooses a plan after they consider their financial goals and their risk tolerance, and then set it and forget it. And it really makes retirement planning a smoother transition for the investor. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.